y'all. You are going to, on our weekly vlogs, get to see what our life looks like. We are a homeschool, entrepreneur, traveling family. But this week, the kids are going to Louisiana with my parents for the holiday because I'm going to Vegas. There's still a lot of stuff in the house that needs to be done and in the business that needs to be done. So I'm going to take you through what my goals are for this week and take you along with us. And I need to update ads for Jazz and Eve, which is our body moisture business. I need to go on the back end, look at the ads, and do some switching things around and adding things. And I'll take you guys with me if you're interested in business. I also need to assign new work to my assistants. And I need to review our affiliate program. Then I want to clean the refrigerator out. We need to wash up clothes and make sure everybody has stuff for the trips that we're going on. So packing. I need to plan an activity for Vegas. There's one activity that I want to do. I want to find something that's going to be kind of outdoors, that's away from the strip. I'm thinking maybe something like a Hoover Dam, something like that. I don't know. I need to figure that out. So I'll bring you guys along with that. I need to get my oil changed. And then I need to mail out some PR packages and finish retightening Jasmine's hair. So let me just give you a timeline. Today is Monday. And we leave Wednesday. Oh, and Jasmine also, she needs to get her nails done because it's her week to get her nails done. So today is Monday, and the kids need to finish their schoolwork for the whole week. Basically today, tomorrow, and then Wednesday as well. So we are headed to Louisiana on Wednesday. I am coming back to Houston on Thursday. I fly out on Thursday evening, and then I will be in Vegas and California for a little bit.
I feel so alive in your company. Love everything we do as a family. The world's wonderful when I see it through your eyes. We are creating memories for a lifetime. I get so much to treasure from a family travel.
If you are a business owner, every so often you have to go in and see like the analytics of your ads or KPIs to see how your ads are performing, and then you need to make adjustments. You need to take the ones off that are not doing well or meeting certain standards, KPI standards, and then you need to go and add new ones if you feel like you need more to build your audience. So what I have been doing before I brought the camera on was I went and I looked at, I have two types of ads that are running, just static ads, and then I have video ads. So I've gone through my video ads and looked at what the results look like. I've turned some off and I started a new one, testing out a new audience. And then I also pulled the winners from the old one, and I'm showing them to the new audience to see how they're going to go with the new audience. But I also went through the content that has been posted over the last month to see what the engagement looked like, to select some of those to add into the ads that we currently have. And now I'm about to do the same thing with the static content to see how they're performing right now. If any need to be shut off, if I need to add more money to any, but then also to go look through any static content that has been performing very well, just organically, and adding that to an ad. So that's what I'm about to do.
Living life every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need.
I just wanted to remind you, you got this. Keep going. I am over here like he said it, she said it, she's doing it, no matter what it looks like.
In the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight. Gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I could change my mind, maybe elevate. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. I'm kinda stuck between a rock and a hard place. Do I work hard, or live at my pace? You're only young once, yeah that's all great, but I also want a future where I'm okay. Living life is doing lots of cocaine. Wait no, it's living with no shame. Wait no, it's sleeping in on Sundays. I guess it's different for each of us and that's okay. Well I just wanna be happy, how to get there? Glad that you asked me. I think it's different for everyone. Some of us need work, others need fun. Some of us need purpose to overcome. But try to do what you love when it's said and done. Cause there's so many differences in each of us. Trust your gut, it can show you what you want. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need.
Let's look at him.
Hey, Mom.
Let me look over here. Do him like this. Okay, so the kids have been dropped off in Louisiana yesterday, and today is Thursday. It is, and this has been how I have traveled from Houston, and now how I'm traveling back. But I pray, like, Lord, I'm gonna need you to stop this rain. Hold it up a little bit for me. And he did it on the way coming. It only, out of a 4.5 hour trip, it rained for the first hour and a half. Oh my goodness, those people off the road. Okay, so I'm gonna go and pay attention to what I'm doing. And my flight leaves later, and we can go over. Yeah, my flight leaves later. I'm back home, y'all. I'm gonna see if I can pull some footage from all of that. But January, I went on a Royal Caribbean Harmony of the Seas cruise. That was really cool. I did it for my birthday, my 40th birthday, with one of my friends, and she and I, we had a blast. It was like moms getting away from home life and just really having fun. We went to Haiti, we went to Jamaica, and we went to Bahamas, and I loved it. I love those countries. Probably Haiti was kind of one of the ones that I was like, you know, it was a private island, so it wasn't like, but the people there, you know, they just, bless their hearts. So I did that in January. February, what did I do? February, I went to Long Beach with a different friend. And so March, here I am again, now going to Vegas. And I've never been to Vegas before, so I'm interested in the nature there and the nature.
Take me with you.